Ungabusa stress amayitali soka lakho lisendleleni. In a two-seater ngiyeko highway cruising lane to lane. Uma udinga itime anele imnyama.
Awe bafethu. This is Skulu Z. Back again. Today I will be reacting to Offense Mwase Entertainment. How Xhosa guys ask a girl, and the video reacts again from Offense Mwase. Okay, bafethu angathi sengize ngakhuluma kakhulu into esikuyona is to react to a video. Okay, let's react to the video. Okay, can't wait. Okay,
guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos.
Obviously gonna do that.
Why aren't you subscribing? Come on, I'm waiting.
It's my YouTube channel.
Oh jeez, just click on this button. Like, oh my gosh, friend, like ngizazisa lo muntu, like ngidisappointed kakhulu kabi.
Nangu lo mntana, right? Uyithi light, sugar and spice. Finger looking good.
Like ngifuna ukumshiya mara ngikhona because ngiyamthanda.
Thanda sam. Oh, senhliziyo yami yodwa.
Why wenza so?
Thola ube order.
Why unyonyobela pha?
Hayi bonyonyo. Hi man, alright. Already relevant. Uyithi light. Okay, Sprite. Akubiza abantu bekubiza thanda sam.
Bangibiza ngoBribri, Slay Queen, esilanga ezimbe, mara wena bangibiza ngonkabikazi. Abantu bangazi kanjalo.
Oh. No man, jonga man, thanda sam man. Ngikubona ngathi lonely. And him, iboni, asokushiye lonely. A man with the master plan.
Buti ngakusiza ngani?
Nathi manje lento sithanda sami, khethe liphi icephe? Elidala okanye litsha?
Okay, ngizohamba ngilisha.
Limkile njengala oyakho nalelitsha ndim. Mamela kaloku sithanda sami. Yabona masithi ke ngogqibela. Uyatshona umama wakho enhlizweni yakho, utshona nami. So ungakhupha bani? Umama wakho? Onyela.
Masivu mama ngikhuphe wena.
Very good. Very good, sithanda sami. Sikakhupha mina it means ba uyanikhathalela. Uyandisave kwizinto ezimbi ndifana no drowner.
Ay. Ukukhupha umama ndifaka wena.
Times 2 iright naleyo sithanda sami because xa ukhupha ke ngoku umama usave mina enhlizweni yakho, which means I stay no slain. Ndikwenza ubay.
Azusile like ungirobile. Uyaroba. Yonke lento oyizama ukuyenza ufuna ungitricka nje.
Mina andiyenzi trickery.
Uyayenza, uqeda kuyenza.
Lenza ilavari. Thanda sami, nangu uThixo Yesu Kristu sihle ngqondezweni.
Awukuphi?
Ngiyafa. Mamela man, jonga.
Okuyini lokho?
Yivpa. Jonga, ndithethayo. Ithetha ngento ezigcwalayo. Osondivasele washing phayana. Xasikalela amanzi kula washing ngengoku. Yenza ntona bucket.
Like obviously yagcwala.
Yagcwala? Mina ngicwala ngawe nje la. Come on.
That was smooth.
Kaloku serious ngawe yanyani. Xa uzomfuna nje ijonga lo 071.
Asisenze sone. Nabu serious. Ufuna ama number 1. Yazi ukuthi uzobuya kusasa. So hamba ubuye kusasa. Then ngiyothola ama number 1 maybe. Yabo. Now babuye kusasa well. Dalala.
So
Ebona.
Sobuya ngomso. Unyile ngabi. Ayithembu. Inswelo.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to share and watch the more content.
Ungabusa stress amayitali soka lakho lisendleleni. In a two-seater ngiyeko highway cruising lane to lane. Uma udinga itime anele
My YouTube channel. Peace. Okay. You know what to do. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video. Comment. Share if you can.